I decided to go on a vacation to get away from the monsters. I went camping. Bridget came too.
Amanda, I need to have a nap. Boy, is it hot. I wonder why there's not very many people here. I'm so thirsty. Bridget, could you pass me a beer? Okay. Thank you. Welcome.
Hey! Do you know how late it is? Do you know how loud you are being? It is 4 o'clock! Quiet! Do you think it's funny?
No.
Why must you be so loud? It is 4 o'clock.
It's not a.m.
Still, are you trying to be Mr. Mrs. Smart Guy? Well, too bad. Quiet, or you're kicked out of the campsite. Is that clear?
Yes.
Better be. Get to sleep.
What is that all about? I don't know. But something fishy's going on. Hey, Chorus 1, 2. F2. What is it, Anama?
I think you're in danger. Is Bridget with you? Where are you guys?
We are at camping.
Where are you camping?
Birds Hill.
I have desperate news. I've just received reports that a werewolf has been sighted in that same campground. It doesn't even need a full moon. It is terrorizing campers and scaring anyone who sees it. Your mission: capture him. Good luck.
Amanda, where are you? Amanda, where are you? I'm so scared. I'm scared. Help.
The wolf man dropped me in the middle of nowhere. I had to get back and save Bridget.
Oh, me leg! Me leg! Oh, me leg! Oh, me leg! Oh, me leg! Me leg!
Bridget, what happened? A wolf come in here and I scratched him. Are you okay, Bridget? I hope you are. Should we stay here? No. Good idea. We should start packing up right now.
You two, out here, on the double. Stand at attention. Thought I warned you two. We're being loud in this campground. Quiet! I'm not finished. This is your last warning. If you're not quiet, you're out! You understand?
Yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
Did you see his leg? He's limping. Yeah. I think I know who I will with this. How are we ever supposed to trap him? I know, with pizza. Great idea, Bridget. We could use the pizza as bait and then put it inside the wolfman bag and then catch him. I get a bag and I'll get the pizza.
What are you doing?
Are you a mustache sausage?
What did you call me?
Mustache sausage.
Nobody calls me mustache sausage.
Do I smell pizza?
We got you now, you big fat punk. There's no way you're gonna get away from us. We're gonna bang you against the street, swing you around, and there's no way you're gonna get out. No single way. You little sucker, big fat punk. You have a big fat head. Hi, ain't hairy boy. Yeah, we got you now. Yeah. Ha.
Come on, Bridget, let's go celebrate. Okay. Ooh, it's rain. Who keeps eating my pizza? Not me.